friends, welcome to today's video lesson where we are doing this letter F worksheet. You can do this worksheet with me. If you click the link below or you scan this QR code, you'll be able to print this worksheet for free and do it alongside me today. All you will need is the worksheet printed out and something to write with, like a pen, pencil, crayon, or marker. The first thing we're going to be doing in this worksheet is writing our name in the name spot. My name is Miss Happy. What is your name? It's great to see you today. You can write your name in the name spot. And you can pause the video here and start it back up when you finish writing your name. Did you write your name in the name spot? Great job! The first part of this worksheet is this first bubble. And in this first bubble, we are looking for uppercase F letters. And if you would like to see what an uppercase F looks like, you can look at the top of the worksheet. There's an uppercase F and a lowercase f. And in this first bubble, we are looking for uppercase Fs. And I'll give you a hint. There are 4 uppercase Fs in the first bubble. So go ahead and look for 4 uppercase Fs, and when you find them, color them in, and you can pause the video here and start it back up after you finish coloring all 4 uppercase Fs. Did you find all 4 uppercase Fs? If you see here, there are 2 in the first row and 2 in the second row, right next to each other. Great job! The next bubble is bubble number 2, and here we are looking for lowercase f's. And again, you can look at the top of the worksheet at the lowercase f. And there are also 4 lowercase f's in this bubble. So go ahead and look for all 4 lowercase f's and color them in. And you can pause the video here and start it back up when you're finished. Did you find all 4 lowercase f's? Great job! There are 2 in the top row right next to each other and 2 in the second row also next to each other. The last bubble in this worksheet is bubble number 3, and there are 4 objects, and we are looking for the objects that start with the letter F. Do you know what sound the letter F makes? The letter F makes the f sound, like in frog and flip-flops. So we are looking for the objects that start with that sound. The first object is a picture of a farm. Farm. Does that start with the F sound? It does. So we are going to circle the farm. The next picture are balloons. Balloons. Does that have the F sound at the beginning of balloons? It does not. So we're not going to circle the balloons. The next picture is French fries. French fries. Do you hear the F sound at the beginning of French fries? We do. So we are going to circle the French fries because it starts with the F sound. The last picture is a bumblebee. Bumblebee. Do you hear the F sound at the beginning of bumblebee? We do not. So we're not going to circle the bumblebee. So we found 2 pictures that start with the F sound. Farm and French fries. Great work today. We finished the whole worksheet. Thanks so much for practicing the letter F with me today. I look forward to the next time we're together. Happy learning. Bye.